Hi guys, dito po ako para tulungan kayo sa error message na i-encounter nyo kapag nag-i-install po kayo ng bagong software or application. Nangyayari po to normally sa mga may bagong PC or laptop. So the specific error message na makikita nyo kapag nag-install kayo ng bagong application is this: the code execution cannot proceed because VCRUNTIME140.dll was not found. Reinstalling the program may fix this problem. So, I'm gonna help you how to fix this. I want to make it simple and short for you. So, the step one that we are going to do is to search for Microsoft Visual C++. And the latest version is the 2020. Yan. Ito po yung pinakabagong version. Kaya para mapadali po, sundin nyo na lang po itong gagawin ko kasi may mga lumang version po, but by this time, ang gagawin po natin is yung bago. So, tap this, the latest supported Visual C++ downloads. Tap nyo po yan. And then, when you tap that, look for here. What kind of system types ba you have? So, ang akin po kasi is x64. So, nasa sa inyo na po, kailangan nyo pong gawin, if you know what system type you have, you need to go to the search on your computer and then type system information. Yan. So, when you get there, look for system type. Ito siya. And then sa akin po, x64 ang aking system type. So, yun lang po yung gagawin nyo para malaman nyo. And then, click this if this is your system type, or x86 or ARM64. Ayan. So, na-download ko na po siya kaya hindi ko na po i-download ulit. So, once po na-install nyo na siya, ayan, ang gagawin nyo lang pong next step is you need to uninstall first the software that na gusto nyong i-download. So, for example, ito po ang gusto nyong uninstall. Sa akin po kasi ito yung pinakabago kong software or application na in-install kanina bago ko ma-encounter yung error na yun. So, to uninstall it, what I did, pumunta ako sa control panel and then under programs, uninstall program, I click that, and then I tap clinic ko po yung application po na gusto kong i-uninstall. Ito po siya. So, once you uninstall, you need to reinstall it again. Like the instruction earlier, na kailangan nyo pong i-reinstall it after downloading the Visual C++. Okay, so ang case ko po kasi sa akin kanina, ito pong ginawa ko. In-install ko po siya ulit. And then, yun na po, that's good to go. I will gonna share as well yung step by steps sa mamaya sa link nito. And then, I hope you can follow and I hope I'm able to help you. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you so much.